Hello and welcome to this video in the Builderall training series. We have previously discussed using ID PLR products to build your funnel. Since the last video, I've completed the first page in the sales funnel and made some adjustments. So if you look through, everything is in here and in the correct place. I just want to take you all the way down the page. The construction of this page did take quite a bit of time. Just because you don't see it in the videos doesn't mean that it didn't take time, so don't be frustrated if it takes you hours to do the first few times. Watching me build for hours doesn't make for great content. On to the next step. We're going to build our offer in the SuperCheckout. In the left side menu, you're going to see this button where it says Beta. Click on that to open the menu for SuperCheckout. Now, I have already built this product previously, but we're going to be creating this product so you can see how it is done. The name of the product is going to be Ketogenic Diet 101. It will be a digital product as it's an ebook. And for description, we're just going to put Ketogenic Diet 101. You're going to want to build a little better description, but for the purpose of this video, this is good enough. Just remember, this is the description that is going to resell the customer or confirm their purchase in the checkout page. Just reassure them that this product is amazing. Real quick, at the bottom here, you'll see Enable Affiliation. This will allow you to give up to 90% of your sales as affiliate commission. We're going to enable it for this product, and we're going to hit Next. You will have to set up PayPal. If you follow the instructions that PayPal gives you, it goes very smooth. You can also set up Stripe, but I feel that PayPal is perfect for what we are doing. You'll see that I set up two accounts. One says PayPal, the other says Sandbox. We're going to be doing the Sandbox. This allows me to do test transactions. This is not live and won't charge any of the accounts or cards. We will always test before going live to ensure that our checkout flow makes sense. I set the currency to US dollars. You could set it to whatever option you want, but I will be targeting the US, so I want it to be in US dollars. My refund period is set to 7 days. You could set it all the way to 30 if you would like. No additional taxes. Now, if you're in a location that requires you to collect additional taxes, I would suggest you take the taxes out of the payment you receive and not to charge the additional taxes. People don't like paying more after they see the amount that they should be paying. We don't have any coupons to set up, but if you had coupons, you would set them here. Now when you set the affiliate cut here, you can only give a max of 90%. If you try to give anything over, it won't let you confirm. Giving away a 90% commission isn't that big of a deal on a dollar product, and the big money in our sale is going to come from the upsells that we're about to create. You make 10 cents, they make 90 cents, and everyone is happy. 90-10 split is awesome. They just don't get anything from the secondary upsell. We will leave the affiliate commission off of that. Next up, the checkout. I prefer the 3-step checkout personally. I feel it just looks better and flows better for the customer. For thank you page, we're going to select any page for now as we've not created a thank you page yet. This is the page that the user will be redirected to once they complete their purchase. I will explain this in the next video and we will come back and change this offer to the proper page. Sales page is the page that we had just created for this product. On to the email campaign. Just leave it as default for now. We will go over this in Mailing Boss. However, that is a little more in depth than I want to do for this video. Restricted areas, we're going to leave blank for now. This is if you want this to unlock a membership area after your customer makes a purchase. We won't be doing that. We will be delivering these products via email. Integrations. We will be playing around with webhooks once we finish the funnel pages, but we're going to skip this for now. All that is left is to agree blindly to the terms and conditions because no one ever reads those. Alright, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed the content, give us a like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll be going over the remainder of the funnel and setting up the pages that we need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.